Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to talk about 3 fun games that can help your child overcome their fear of water. A lot of kids get scared just being near water. They think they'll sink or won't be able to breathe. But once that fear is gone, kids learn to swim faster and with way more joy. So let's dive into some playful, effective strategies. First, it's important to understand why your child is afraid of water. Water is a brand new sensation. It's cold, slippery, and uncomfortable when it touches the face. Sometimes, if a child is forced into water too quickly, it makes the fear worse. So what do we need most? Patience and a warm, friendly environment. So let's dive into some playful, effective strategies. Our first game, making friends with water using the face. Give your child a small cup, bottle, or bucket. Ask them to gently splash or pour water on their face. You do it too. Smile, laugh, and say, "Wow, so cool." The child sees it as a game, and the fear begins to fade. So let's dive into some playful, effective strategies. Next step, let your child get their feet wet. Have them sit on the pool edge or step and dip their feet in the water. Encourage gentle kicking and splashing. Then slowly help them walk through shallow water while holding your hand. They'll feel how water moves and start to trust it. Now for the most fun game, rescuing floating toys. Use their favorite toy, a rubber duck, ball, or fish, and float it in the pool. Then ask, "Can you get that one?" Through this game, they'll practice hand movements in water, learn to float better, and build confidence. While you're playing these games, keep a few things in mind. White heavy check mark, never force your child. White heavy check mark, always stand nearby and give support. White heavy check mark, if they're scared, take a break and try again later. White heavy check mark, celebrate even the smallest progress. Once the fear is gone, your child will ask to go in the water. So those were 3 fun games to help your child overcome their fear of water. In the next episode, we'll cover how to teach floating step by step. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which game your child loved the most. See you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.